Welcome back, everybody. This video is going to be short. It's really just showing you the before and after. The before is going to be from my previous videos about bad soil mixture for Monsteras and why they're not growing. Also, it's related to like why the leaves are bumpy, and then why do they have like yellow spots and they just don't look really nice. See how these are the old leaves. Yeah, so this is the after. I followed my own personal recipe. I've transplanted them all into terracotta pots, and I've used my soil mix. And then I started following the watering regimen and the fertilizing regimen that I have in my other videos. And what I'll show you is these are the new growth. This is about 3 months worth of growth. You can see it's like the color's really nice. They split immediately after popping out. They're really smooth. Here's some new growth. They look really good. These are the old leaves that were kind of struggling and they don't look really great. So this is what it looked like. These are the leaves that it looked like before when it was in a heavy soil, not aerated, poor watering, with the roots staying super, super wet instead of having a well-draining soil. And you can see there's like yellowing. The leaves don't look great. They also didn't split. Once I did the new ones, they look beautiful. Everything is growing through really nice. You can see these new ones. This is about, I want to say, 3 months worth of growth after switching both plants to the new soil mix, the new watering schedule, and the new pot. So it's about 3 months worth of growth, and I have about, I want to say, 8 new big leaves that split immediately, and then I have a ton of small ones that are starting to grow through. Yeah, so this is really just to show you the results of kind of following what I like to do and the results that I've gotten. So yeah, let me know how your guys' turn out, and happy planting.